Good morning, everyone. It's Boxing Day, the 26th of December. Greetings here from the Manor Country Hotel here just outside of Enniskillen in Northern Ireland. We're spending the festive period here at 3 nights Christmas programme. So yeah, let me just show you around a little bit here. You know, it's the usual murky day here in Ireland, but at least it's sort of dry, sort of. Now there's the front of the hotel. This hotel dates back, I don't know, 1690 they were saying, you know, and it was called Rockfield House then. I mean, it's a listed house, so it's protected by the Heritage Trust. You know, a very nice hotel and lovely grounds, and it's here, as you know, on the River Erne there in the distance. So there's the River Erne. Now, believe it or not, during the Second World War, this hotel was a billet place for US servicemen, and there was a lot of sea aeroplanes taken off from the River Erne, and one of those very sea aeroplanes spotted the Bismarck, I should say, the big German ship, and eventually that ship was sank. So there's a bit of history for you. The plane that spotted the Bismarck was based here in this area. So yeah, it's a beautiful hotel, and you've got, you know, a golf course as well. Very nice. So today at 1 o'clock we're going on a cruise on the River Erne. That'll be nice. The Christmas programme here is incredible. I mean, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yesterday was incredible. A massive breakfast. Then you had the Christmas lunch, and believe it or not, in the evening we had a Christmas buffet. So I didn't just eat one Christmas dinner, I ate at least 2, and I don't want to even think about the desserts I've eaten. But one good thing though is when you eat so much, you can drink a lot then. No hangover. That's why I'm out here wandering around making this video. Right, here we are going on a cruise on the Erne.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you...
多金多财又爱又得